Hey boys, welcome back to another video. So, this video, we are going to be doing a reaction to the best supercar fails of July 2021. I don't know why it's July 2021, but it is. Yeah, so anyway, that's what we're going to be doing. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all like and subscribe because a lot of you guys are not. And yeah, let's get right into it, man. Like,
The Benz had 20.
bro, was that a McLaren? Bro, how do you lose control with a
Nah,
McLaren?
bro.
Like, I could understand losing control in that, but a McLaren... What is this,
Nah,
bro?
bro. That's some Mustang driver activities, not even gonna lie.
Right. Mustang to McLaren, and he failed. And then a Bugatti over here is all blown up, bro. This is what happened. This is what happened when Andrew Tate got arrested. Everybody blew up their Bugattis, bro.
What the? Wait. What a fucking
You think
unit.
that's Russia or what?
No, it's not. It's not Russian. That's just somewhere mid UK or Europe. I don't know.
Mustang. Nah. Let's be real. Do you think there's too much water damage in that thing to even, like, recover it? I don't know. It's driving, I think. I think it drove for a second.
Regenerate. Okay, chill out. Is that an RS3?
Bro. How does this even happen? Like, tell me, how does this even happen?
Well, a whoopsie daisy happened. That's what happened.
Oh. Bro tried cutting up, tried threading the needle, didn't happen. Oh, that is rough.
Oh,
They're trying to play GTA. Oh, is that a laugh? Is that a La Ferrari or whatever? La Ferrari?
Oh no,
I
honey,
don't know what
your
that was.
car don't go
Holy.
there. That's the
So,
curb.
oh
Why you
shit!
drive
I
over it?
thought you had some
Yeah, you fuck up.
some
Like, oh
spacers.
my god, honey.
How does that even happen? Like, actually, wait, how does that actually even happen?
Why
Does
oh
somebody,
my
like,
god,
just,
honey.
I don't know, bro.
No, I don't
How?
know how that happens because whenever I do stuff like that, you have to take the tire off and use a machine to do it.
That's just your average BMW driver right there.
So is this the same
Wait,
color as
wait,
the
did he use
exterior?
any
That's
turn
so.
signals? I couldn't tell.
No,
Wait,
he doesn't. They don't use
oh,
turning
he didn't need
signals.
to.
They don't need them,
Wait,
bro. They don't. The car don't even come with them.
I mean, well, yeah, at least they know their target audience, though.
So is this the same color as the exterior? That's so sick.
Oh my god, look at all
Oh no, he's gonna try and show off, isn't he?
Oh yeah.
How? How do you lose control in a Ferrari?
It's alright, it's alright.
I don't know.
You okay?
Shitty drivers.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm completely fine. I'm completely fine.
We're good.
Bro. Imagine the insurance, like, after all this, bro. Like,
Bro,
imagine you have to say you hit a
you have like
Ferrari.
life savings.
Right. Like, imagine you're in a car accident, you have to call the insurance company, and you're like, "Oh yeah, I hit a Ferrari." They'll just hang up on you, bro. You're on your own.
Reserved the Lamborghini.
Oh, it tells you the car up in the top left. Okay.
Oh, Porsche GT2 RS.
Oh, that thing is just done. And so is the passenger, bro.
No, bro, it's just kind of slight dent in the back.
Oh yeah, you're right. It'll be out the shop the next day. JDM boys, some JDM boys. Okay. There goes Jack in his little Volkswagen.
Oh, that's just full side. McLaren MP4.
We have a little.
Damn.
Ferrari Roma.
Actually, I don't think the insurance people will trip that much if it's two luxury cars crashing into each other. Because if they have that kind of money to have
Very
those
safe.
cars, they might have
At
the
least you
money
know
to
the
pay it
occupants are
back.
safe.
Hey, well, the Ferrari rear-ended the other dude, so that
Yeah,
that Maserati driver is gonna get a bag.
Yeah, there's such a thing.
How does that even happen, bro? You're driving in a straight line. You should not lose control like that. Oh my! He's Tokyo drifting it. He's Tokyo drifting it into the trees.
No, bro didn't crash. I was just doing it for style points. Trust.
This is your average parking garage in the UK.
Yeah. Bro. That's like at least $20 worth of damage.
Was that an RS6?
Yeah. Are you talking about the one that was a?
That one. Oh, the RS6. That's my dream car, and it's just being crushed, bro. Oh, look at it, bro. Oh, it's just crushed by another one.
Dude, what's RS6
Another
doing
car.
that other car?
Right there, bro. Just doing it.
Oh, here's your Mustang driver and your average BMW driver.
Let's go on the right.
He doesn't even have his turning signals on.
Oh no, he has his hazards on.
Yeah, but like, okay, he's getting closer. He's getting closer.
He has the spirit.
All right,
What is bro trying to do?
he's gonna 360 the car. Oh, never mind.
Okay.
There's me in my Range Rover. Coming home from school, bro.
On it?
Yeah.
Vai, facci. Guarda, questa qua costa 1 milione, costa tantissimo. Oh, è finito.
That Fiat driver is about to collect a bag.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
See the rim on it?
Ooh. Look at the driver's face. Do you see the driver's face? Look at his face. Wait, I need to see that again. Bro's flabbergasted after that, bro. Watch his face.
No. I'm not gonna know what area it is.
The driver. He's looking in the mirror like, oh.
Oh. The GTR.
This guy was playing the gas pump game.
Actually, it's AMG GTR.
Such a beautiful car, bro. Just gone. I hope y'all enjoyed. I know it was a short video, but I just felt like reacting to something today. So, that's what we did. Shout out to Supercar Fails for the video. And make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'm out, bro.